So in the US, new regulations are phasing out petroleum-based synthetic food dyes by the end of 2026. These dyes have been in thousands of products for decades: cereals, snacks, candies, frozen meals, and more. As manufacturers switch to natural food colorings and additives, they're discovering that these plant-based products are much more sensitive to oxidation, which can cause fading, off flavors, and shorter shelf life. It's a big shift in the industry that affects both quality and operations. So it means that companies need to rethink how they protect and package their products. Synthetic food dyes provided some level of stability, and natural dyes don't. So packaging environments and shelf life strategies are going to become much more critical. That's where nitrogen comes in. If you can remove oxygen from the package and replace it with nitrogen, you slow down the oxidation process, you protect your product for longer. Nitrogen is an inert, odorless, tasteless gas, and it makes up 78% of the air we breathe. In food packaging, it displaces oxygen, which is what causes spoilage, discoloration, and flavor changes. Switching to natural dyes and additives, that protection becomes even more important. By filling a bag or package with nitrogen instead of air, you can dramatically extend freshness, shelf life, and consistency. Most food plants still rely on liquid nitrogen delivered by bulk suppliers. But with the upcoming regulations, the demand for nitrogen is increasing quickly. That means more trucks, more storage tanks, more costs, and sometimes even shortages. The food industry can't afford interruptions, especially when rolling out new formulas and packaging. With on-site nitrogen generation, the facility makes nitrogen as they need it, at their own facility. You're no longer paying for transport, you're not paying for storage, and you're not losing gas to evaporation. You're also not locked into long-term contracts with suppliers. You're getting the reliability, the lower costs, and the total control over your nitrogen supply. And with our modular systems, you can scale production as your needs grow. So here at Purity Gas, we design, engineer, manufacture, and install custom nitrogen generation systems. And we do it at scale. One of the largest food companies in the world recently chose us to deploy systems to dozens of their facilities across North America. We are able to engineer, deliver, and support large systems on a very tight timeline. That's our specialty: rapid deployment, reliable technology, hands-on support, from planning to execution to after sale. Every operation is different, but most of our customers are seeing payback well within 3 years and sometimes even under 18 months. After that, the savings keep compounding. Plus, you're reducing risk, cutting your carbon footprint, and freeing yourself from unpredictable delivery costs. For many companies, this is a strategic investment, not just an operational one. Many operations overspec their nitrogen purity and pressure, quote unquote, just to be safe. But that can drive up costs unnecessarily. Our systems are engineered to deliver the exact purity and flow you need, no more, no less. We help our customers optimize purity levels for their product and process, which can be a major cost saver. My advice would be, don't wait until 2026. This shift is already underway, nitrogen demand is already increasing. Now's the time to assess your packaging lines and your nitrogen requirements. Switching to on-site nitrogen generation isn't just about compliance, it's about gaining an edge in cost, reliability, and sustainability. It's about having a competitive edge in your industry. I would encourage you to visit our website and learn more about our nitrogen solutions, and possibly even to request a free assessment. We'll help you understand your current nitrogen use, project your needs, and help you design a system tailored to your operation. It's the fastest way to future-proof your packaging process.